Did you know Samsung Gallery includes a hidden menu that's disabled by default? It's called Gallery Labs, and with just a few taps, you can unlock it. Let me show you how. First, open the Gallery app. Tap the menu button at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Setting. Scroll all the way down and tap About Gallery. Now, repeatedly tap Gallery Version. Then continue tapping until the message Gallery Labs is enabled appears. Once you see the message, go back to the gallery setting page. Scroll to the bottom and you will find new Gallery Labs menu. Keep in mind that Gallery Labs contain experimental feature, so some options may change or be removed in future software update. However, if you want to hide the Gallery Labs menu again, simply open Gallery Labs and turn off the switch at the top. The menu will disappear from gallery setting until you enable it again. And that's how you unlock the hidden Gallery Labs menu on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.